This is Project Palisades, an ECD Custom 110. Palisades is finished in full gloss Santorini black with black accents all round. Palisades sits on 18-inch sawtooth special edition wheels with Continental terrain contact tyres. Inside, Palisades features a StarTech steering wheel with all-American gauges, 2 heated and ventilated Trailcat front seats, 2 further Trailcats in the mid-row, and 2 inward-facing jump seats in the cargo area. Each seat is wrapped in a 2-tone Kingfisher with Avian Storm cloud leather, finished in a diamond stitch. Palisades is powered by our LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic transmission. This 110 is packed with our standard ECD refinements such as high-end JL audio sound system, CarPlay, Bluetooth audio and access to USB points throughout the cabin. Project Palisades may look a very simple vehicle. Our client has chosen that route, but with all the subtle, luxurious enhancements one notices upon close inspection, this vehicle is an extremely well put together example of a high-end ECD 110.